Hi everyone, welcome to Hindi Learning Made Easy Vocabulary Series Part 1 Word of the Day. In this series, you will learn to build up vocabulary using one word at a time. In every video, you will learn one Hindi word. You will also learn how to use that word in Hindi sentence. At the end, you will be able to make and speak your own Hindi sentences using this word. I will try to show you the word in picture form if possible. Quick request, if you have not subscribed to my channel so far, please do subscribe and press bell icon to get notifications. If you have any questions, please leave your comments and I will try to answer. So let's start. In this video, word of the day is language. In Hindi, it is Bhasha. Bhasha. When you speak Bha, you should observe that air is coming out of your mouth and giving ha sound to ba. So, it is not ba, it is bha. Speak with me, bhasha. Bhasha. In Hindi language, all animate and inanimate objects are associated with gender. To make it simple, for kids, I'll be showing a girl or a boy image to show the gender of the word. Here, girl image shows the gender of the word bhasha is feminine. Don't worry much about gender at the moment. Just remember, if you can, bhasha is feminine. Let us make some sentences using word bhasha. But before that, let us revise some basic words which we have already learned. The first word is a or an. In Hindi, it is ek. Ek. The second word is. In Hindi, it is hai. Hai. Here, sentence using language word is Hindi is a language. In Hindi, we will say Hindi एक भाषा है. Hindi एक भाषा है. Recall, Hindi sentence always ends with the verb. Speak with me. Hindi एक भाषा है. Next sentence using word language is English is a language. In Hindi, English is not English. English is ungreji. You can see on the screen, English is ungreji. So in Hindi, how we will say the whole sentence? अंग्रेजी एक भाषा है. Speak with me. अंग्रेजी एक भाषा है. I would request you to make some similar sentences using the word bhasha. Using different language names, you can make similar sentences and speak in Hindi. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video with one new word.